Power over Ethernet, often referred to as PoE, combines data and power, revolutionizing modern network solutions. PoE is crucial for today's networks, offering dual functionality that simplifies installations. By merging power and data, it reduces the need for extra wiring, making network setups more efficient and flexible. PoE injects power into Ethernet cables through switches or injectors. This seamless integration allows powered devices to receive both data and power, eliminating the need for separate power supplies. PoE solutions ensure that devices like IP cameras and access points receive consistent power and data, streamlining network installations. It simplifies installations by removing the need for additional wiring. This not only speeds up the process, but also cuts costs, as there's no need for licensed electricians for most setups. The flexibility of PoE allows devices to be placed in hard-to-reach areas without power outlets. This adaptability is perfect for outdoor setups or remote locations, offering significant cost savings. This technology powers wireless access points and IP cameras, enabling seamless connectivity in offices and public spaces. It also supports VoIP phones and digital signage, enhancing communication and information display. In smart buildings, PoE integrates various devices into a unified network, improving automation and management. By adopting this technology, you embrace a future-ready, efficient networking solution. Learn more about Commscope's large portfolio of power over Ethernet solutions at www.commscope.com.